Get down. Shit, get way down. This doesn't cover shit. Hit!
Hit! You got me in the forehead. Hey Brad, is it one bag at a time or all of them?
You got hit by a BB? You were covered from the grenade.
Yeah, you're good. They're peeling left.
Go.
Let's go in this building. Justin, come in. You know the gold's supposed to be in the fort.
Ready? Now.
Guard me.
And go.
Hey man! I fucking slipped so bad. Hit! Careful, that leprechaun will get you. You know what you should have done? It didn't go off, so you weren't dead. You should have ran out your ass out of there.
No, cause I was so confused right there. I was like,
You're like, what is going on?
He's like, he turns around, Clint, and he goes, oh geez, because it wrapped around his foot and flipped out. He goes, and we just stand here.
There he is. Get my fucking goal, boy. Yeah! Is anyone on my fucking team? All right. Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good. Oh. Hey, careful.
Congratulations, you got me.
Oh, it was James.
I thought I had him hitting it right too, man. He was right by my ear.
Oh, they're falling like flies.
Yeah, just barely.
See in that tree?
Yeah.
You'll never get my gold!
Whoever's left. That's twice I've nearly dodged.
I saw
Getting
that. I saw the
sniped.
shot and you were just like, whoosh. Oh,
It's a Matrix,
It's okay,
man.
James was over there.
it's all up there.
James! Run, boy, run! He's going around front.
Got a runner to the right.
My pants are coming undone even further.
I'm looking over there.
Did you like my rhyme?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck you, Brad. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, hit!
Oh, hit!
Dead man. Dead admin walker.
Ah, bugger me, I got hit. Hit. Nice job.
This guy's with you.
Hang on, let me get you guys on video.
Sniper. Sniper. Right there. Right there.
Clint,
Take your meds.
just checking them all real good.
Just watch. Keep an eye out. Keep an eye out. Watch the movie.
I want to go set my camera up on the truck somewhere.
Oh, hit. Yes, you're a good grenade. Oh, good grenade. Oh, you're such a good boy.
That was fucking close. Fucking tripwires and shit. I already heard it blow up.
Yeah, I got blown up with the last time.
Matter of fact, I did. Right. Here. Oh, damn. 5 of them?
Right there.
Hurry up so I can get my prop.
Hand me one.
I need to retrieve my gear.
Go out this other way.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Back in.
Magnus, is that you?
Yeah.
So is there more gold there?
Yeah, right there. Let's see the pot. You gotta grab the pot. I really wish I would have got that first one recorded.
Hit! 1, 2, 15, 16,
Hit! 1, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. No, I wanted to shoot him as he went down the hill.
No, you just got it.
Good. Congratulations.
It's you! Fuck yeah, dude!
All right. Nice.